Have you ever noticed how certain brands just feel right? Coca-Cola's bold red makes you feel energy and excitement. Facebook's deep blue gives you a sense of trust and calm. Starbucks green feels natural and refreshing. This isn't an accident, it's color psychology, one of the most powerful yet underrated tools in marketing. Colors can trigger emotions, influence decisions, and even shape how customers perceive your brand's personality. As a business owner or marketer, understanding how to use the right colors can literally boost your sales, brand loyalty, and customer engagement. Studies show that up to 90% of snap judgments about products can be based on color alone. Red, for example, is a color of passion, energy, and urgency. It's why fast food brands and clearance signs love it. Blue symbolizes trust, reliability, and peace, making it ideal for tech companies, finance, and healthcare brands. Green reflects health, nature, and balance, often used by eco-friendly or wellness brands. Yellow sparks happiness and optimism. It grabs attention fast, but can be overwhelming if overused. Black shows luxury and sophistication, while white brings simplicity and Every color tells a story, and your job is to make sure it's the story your brand wants to tell. When choosing colors for your business, start with your audience. Who are they? What emotions do you want to spark in them? For instance, if you're targeting young, energetic consumers, bright colors like red, orange, or yellow can attract attention. But if your audience values trust and professionalism, think law firms or tech startups, blue or gray will make them feel secure. Another key is cultural psychology. Colors mean different things in different regions. For example, white is purity in Western cultures but mourning in some Asian cultures, so always research your target market. Next, keep your palette consistent. The same color scheme across your logo, website, social media, and packaging builds recognition. Think about big brands. When you see a red can, you think of Coca-Cola instantly. That's the power of consistency. Also, remember, contrast. Use colors that complement each other but still highlight your main message. Your call to action buttons, like buy now or subscribe, should pop using bright or contrasting shades that grab attention. And don't just choose colors you like, test them. Create mock-ups, A/B test different color schemes, and see how customers respond. For example, changing a button from green to orange has increased conversions for some brands by over 20%. Lastly, use color psychology with purpose. Choose one dominant color that reflects your brand's core message and one or two accent colors that support it. Keep it simple, keep it strategic, and always align it with your brand's values. Because when your colors speak the right emotional language, your customers listen without even realizing it. So, before you finalize your logo, packaging, or website design, ask yourself, what emotion do I want my audience to feel? Once you answer that, the perfect color palette will practically choose itself and your business will start standing out, connecting deeply, and selling smarter than ever before.